The Leisurewyze Mirage 325 is a specially designed caravan awning that is perfect for short weekend getaways and long breaks. The Mirage 325 is a single pole awning which assembles in a matter of minutes. It comes supplied with the easy to see high-vis skylines for added stability. The awning fabric has taped seams for added water security and is made from a highly durable waterproof material with a rating of 3000 hydrostatic head. On both rear corners of this awning you'll find a small opening for ample ventilation. This awning has 2 windows on either side, and each window comes with blinds for controlling the amount of sunlight entering the awning. Plus, each door comes with a fly screen that provides you with ventilation while keeping unwanted insects at bay. Leisurewyze, for the best possible camping and caravanning experience.